So today I'm going to be talking about heart disease. It is something that runs in my family and has affected multiple family members on my maternal side. So it was thought that heart disease was a more modern medical issue, but there are actually cases of it dated back to 1550 BC. They found records of it in Egypt. So President Eisenhower actually had a heart attack while he was in office, and that was a really big turning point for the care that people received. So whenever, in the early 1960s, when people first had heart attacks, they were expected to live 24 hours afterwards. And now 10% or 30% of people will now live up to 10 years after their diagnosis. So symptoms of heart disease are shortness of breath, chronic lack of energy, swelling in lower extremities, swollen or tender abdomen with a loss of appetite, confusion or impaired memory. Heart disease presents differently in men and women, but women are more likely to experience symptoms after menopause due to the change in hormones. Current treatment, doctors recommend healthy diet, exercise, no smoking, and reducing stress. And the most popular treatment for it is a coronary artery bypass graft, also known as a CABG procedure. So what they do is they'll take arteries from the wall of your chest and veins from your leg, and they'll use that to make more areas for the blood to flow in your heart so that there's not as many traffic jams. There's not really any special treatment for it besides the CABG procedure. The current prognosis, 80 to 90% of heart attack victims survive the first year after diagnosis, 50 to 60% survive 5 years after diagnosis, and then, as mentioned earlier, 30% survive after 10 years of diagnosis.